After a busy day of juggling my roles as a mom, a wife, an inspirational speaker, TV host, entrepreneur, health and wellness enthusiast, and a former beauty queen, I'm so excited to tell you about the product that has helped me feel rejuvenated and refreshed, the Noah Ion Cell Cleanse. The NICC is an amazing product that detoxifies the body, rejuvenates my skin, and improves the immune system. But that's not all. It also improves my sleep and increases my energy, giving me more time to spend with my family. As someone who is constantly on the move, I can't always find time for a spa day or a full body detox. But with the Noah Ion Cell Cleanse, I can easily and conveniently make it a habit to detoxify my body from the comfort of my own home.
Hello! Good morning, everyone! Isang ligtas at malusog na buhay. My name is Jason, and I would like to help you today to unload the toxins inside your body. Let's talk about cleansing today. Did you know we are more likely to have toxins in our body due to our modern lifestyle and the environment? Ano ba yung toxins? Toxins are any substance or poison that affects and harms the body by internal or external means. It may move into the body cells and tissues, producing degenerative diseases such as cancer, diabetes, arthritis, and heart disease when stored in the body for years. Ano-ano ba ang causes ng toxins na na-accumulate sa ating katawan? Smoking, eating foods with preservatives, lack of proper sleep, air pollution from factories or smoke belchers, drinking too much alcohol, gadgets emitting radiation, and stress. Paano ba natin ma-prevent ang mga toxins na ito? Meron mga natural detoxification ang katawan natin tulad ng pagdumi, pag-ihi, pagpapawis, at paghinga. At meron pang additional, isang natural way of detoxification using the Noah Ion Cell Cleanse. The Noah Ion Cell Cleanse is a modern breakthrough in technology inspired from the two Nobel Prize award-winning discoveries of Professor Dr. Peter Agre on discovery of water channels and Professor Dr. Roderick McKinnon on the structural and mechanistic studies on ion channels. Ano-ano ba ang benefits ng paggamit ng Noah Ion Cell Cleanse? Detoxification of heavy metals, stress reduction, energy increase, pain relief, memory and sleep improvement, parasites purging, immune system strengthening, skin rejuvenation, joint strengthening, fat reduction, and blood sugar decrease. Pero tandaan po natin na ang ating Noah Ion Cell Cleanse machine does not claim to cure, but aims to help remove toxins from the body through a 30-minute foot bath. Bakit ba mahalaga ang pagtanggal ng toxins sa katawan natin? Ang pagtanggal ng toxins mula sa katawan ay magpapabuti sa ating immune system. With this, the body may be relieved from symptoms of possible or existing ailments. The array is placed in the lukewarm water with the hands or feet. When turned on, the Noah Ion Cell Cleanse unit delivers a small direct current into the array. The metals within the array, in combination with the water and salt, generates positively charged hydrogen ion and negatively charged hydroxyl ion by separating hydrogen and oxygen from the water molecules. These ions neutralize charged particles in the body. The neutralized particles are pulled out of the body through the open pores in the skin via osmosis. Osmosis involves the movement of the particles through a membrane from a low concentration to a higher concentration. With this, the higher concentration is the ion field set up by the array in the water. Now, I am going to show you the parts of the NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse and how to use it. I-plug muna natin ang NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse at i-on ang machine. Ang wrist strap ay ilalagay natin sa output 1. Ang anti-static wrist strap forms a complete circuit with the body, the NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse unit, and the array when properly attached to the unit and to the wrist, promoting the circulation of ions throughout the body. Ang wrist strap ay ikakabit po natin sa pulse area ng client natin for detox. This is the array. Ang array ay small device attached to the NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse machine needed to produce a constant supply of negative and positive ions into a water foot bath, creating a negative ion field. Ang array ay ikakabit po natin sa output 2. At ilulubog po natin sa basin na may lukewarm water. Bakit sa paa? Why do we use our feet sa pagdi-detox? Our skin is the largest excretory system at ang may pinakamaraming pores ay matatagpuan sa ating mga paa. Each foot has over 7,000 nerve endings and 2,000 capillaries. At ngayon, i-on na po natin ang ating machine. Makikita po natin ang Mode 1 for adult. Press the start button once. Since the salinity level of our water is 0.4, we need to reach between 1.5 to 2.2 by using pinch of salt. Pag ma-reach na po natin yung level ng between 1.5 to 2.2, pindutin na natin ang button A on the side twice for the timer. The detoxification process will finish in 30 minutes. What does the color in the water mean? The water discolors as a result of the reaction between the toxins, particles in the water, minerals, and salt added to the water. The color of the water may vary subject to the condition of the person being treated, the strength of the treatment, and the quality of the water. Light green are toxins coming from the kidney, bladder, urinary tract, and prostate, while the color orange coming from the joints. Brown are toxins from the liver, lungs, and dead cells, while black is also coming from the liver. Dark green are toxins coming from gallbladder, white foam from lymphatic system, cheese-like yellow particles from digestive system, black flecks are heavy metals, and red flecks are blood clot materials. The color of the water can provide us the general data about the toxic areas of the body. But this should not be taken as an accurate diagnosis since impurities in the water also affect the color change. Mas importante pa rin na pakiramdaman ng mabuti ang inyong katawan after a series of detox sessions. For more accurate information, please consult your doctor. Safe bang gamitin ang NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse? Siyempre, 100% safe ang paggamit ng machine dahil ito ay may safety features tulad ng auto-alarm system in case of wrong usage, anti-burn system in case of exceptionally high voltage. Hindi ka rin makukuryente dahil ang machine ay may anti-electromagnetism system. Ang NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse ay European CE certified for safety and health assurance. At syempre, ang ating machine ay may 1-year warranty against factory defect pero may after-sales lifetime service warranty ito. Gaano kadalas maaaring gumamit ng NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse? Ang mga bata na may edad na 6 to 15 years old must detoxify every 3 days for 14 sessions and for 15 minutes. Under 50 years old must be detoxified every other day for 14 sessions and for 30 minutes. Above 50 years old must detoxify every 3 days for 14 sessions for 30 minutes. And after the 14th session, you should continue to detoxify at least once every 2 weeks. Huwag gamitin ang NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse kapag ikaw ay may metal implant, nag-undergo ng radiation therapy, may open wounds, buntis, merong type 1 diabetes, umiinom ng gamot, lactating moms, may pacemaker, ikaw ay epileptic, at mga batang below 6 years old. Ang NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse ay nakakatulong magtanggal ng unwanted toxins sa ating katawan na nakakapagpalakas ng ating immune system. So, invest now!